Hari Om, good morning children. In this class we will learn the coastal plains. The coastal plain of South India is bordered by the Deccan Plateau. You all know well, in last class we will learn about the Deccan Plateau. This is Deccan Plateau. This Deccan Plateau is bordered by coastal plain or coastal line. India has 6,100 kilometer long coastline. In previous class itself you learned. This coastline is divided into two types according to the direction. The east side is known as eastern coastal plain. The west side is known as western coastal plain. So do you know how these coastal plains are formed? These coastal plains are formed by the depositional activity of the rivers flow in this region and the depositional and erosional activity of the sea waves. So that these three actions create this coastal plain. So before that, the rivers flow in this region is divided into two types, east flowing river and west flowing river. So see here, Narmada, Tapti and another two rivers, Maghi and Sabarmati. These are all the four rivers flow westwards. So you have two more question. Name the west flowing rivers of India. There are four rivers, Narmada, Tapti, Maghi and Sabarmati are the four rivers flow westwards. So all other rivers are flow eastwards. So at very first before learn about these coastal plain, we have to study you have to understand the special features found in this coastal plain. So see here, this is estuary. What it is known as, this type of landform is known as estuary. So when the river before mix into the water at the end, at the meeting place of the river mix with the ocean, it is known as estuary. This is this part the water is partially saline and the partially plain water. See here, the ocean water get inside and the river water get this side. So in this place the partially salinity is created. This region is high in biodiversity. There are a number of varieties of animals live this type of water. So this feature is known as estuary. The next physical feature is lagoon. What the next one? Lagoon. So see here, due to the erosional activity of the sea, this like the coast is eroded. After a number of years, the sea waves bring the sandbars and deposit the sand like this and close this feature. So here the water have saline water because it is a ocean water. This type of feature is known as lagoon. So the lagoons have salt water. This feature is known as lagoon. So see here, this is laterite platform. This is laterite platform. So this is look like a platform, no? So this is a laterite rock. Due to the erosional activity of the sea waves, it create like a platform. So it is known as laterite platform. The next one is backwater. The next one is backwater. So at the meeting point, before meeting in the ocean, because of without there is no slope on that part, no. So due to that reason, the river flow very small, very slowly. At that time is any one branch of the river. At that time the river is divided into number of branches. And any one or two part of the river is drained by a lake, means that is known as backwater. See here, this water is filled by a branch of river. It is a fresh water. After this lake is filled, means after the water will go and mix with the ocean. So this feature is known as backwater. So the backwaters are fresh waters, lagoons are salty water. So these are all the special features found in the coastal plain. What are the physical features? And another one, sand dunes. Sand dunes, already in desert area the sand dunes are formed because of the wind. In the coastal plain, the sand dunes are formed because of the sea waves, depositional activity of the sea waves. The sand dunes formed along the coast. So these are all the physical features. Sand dunes, estuary, lagoon and backwaters are the special feature of landform found in the coastal plain. So now we will learn the coastal plain. At the very first, western coastal plain. Western coastal plain start from Rann of Kutch and end to Kanyakumari. So it is useful. This is Rann of Kutch and this is Kanyakumari. So this coast is known as western coastal plain. So it located, this is Western Ghats, this is Western Ghats and this is Eastern Ghats. So the western coastal plain is located between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. So the western coastal plain is located between the Western Ghats, here Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. The middle part is known as western coastal plain. We can divide this western coastal plain into three names. In Maharashtra region up to this, the western coastal plain is known as Konkan coast. What it is known? Konkan coast. In the northern part, the western coastal plain is known as Konkan coast. In the middle, it is known as Kanara coast. In the middle, it is known as Kanara coast. In Kerala region, the Kerala coast is known as Malabar coast. You have one distinguish between western coastal plain and your eastern coastal plain, and it is useful for map also. The western coastal plain extends from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. In the north it is known as Konkan coast, south it is known as Malabar coast, in the middle it is known as Kanara coast. Malabar coast, Kanara coast, Konkan coast, Kanara coast, Malabar coast. And the next one is eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain is located between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. So eastern coastal plain is wider than western coastal plain because already you know the many rivers flow eastwards. So due to the depositional activity, these rivers are all bring alluvium and deposit in this plain region. So this is a alluvial deposition. It contains the alluvial deposition. This alluvium deposition is suitable for agriculture. So eastern coastal plain is wider than western coastal plain. This eastern coastal plain is divided into two types. So the delta between Mahanadi and Godavari, this middle place is known as Northern Circus. Oh, sorry children, the area between Mahanadi and Krishna, the delta between Mahanadi and Krishna is known as Northern Circus. What it is named as? Northern Circus. And the area between Krishna and Kaveri is known as Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast. Are you understand? Western coast is divided into four types. The first, the northern part is known as Konkan coast, middle is known as Kanara coast, and the south part is known as Malabar coast. Here the area between Mahanadi and Krishna is known as Northern Circus, and Krishna and Kaveri is known as Coromandel coast. So next, the lakes found in this part is known as, in western coastal plain, Vembanad is a famous backwater lake found in the western coastal plain. So Vembanad lake is a backwater lake. So it contains fresh water. It is located in the Malabar coast. So in Kerala, the backwaters are locally known as Kayals or Terrace. In Kerala, the backwaters are locally known as Kayals and Terrace. So which lake is found in Malabar coast? Vembanad lake is located in Malabar coast. The next lakes in the eastern coastal plain. So in the Mahanadi delta, near the Mahanadi delta, there is a lagoon. that is Chilka. Chilka Lake is found in the Mahanadi Delta. And the next, between the Godavari and Krishna, Kolleru Lake is located. Between the Godavari and Krishna, Kolleru Lake. Which lake? Kolleru Lake is located. And the next one is Pulicat Lake. In the border of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, there is a lake, Pulicat Lake. So name the 4 lakes found in the coastal plains of India. Vambanad Lake in the western coastal plain, fresh water. The another or salt water, that is in eastern coastal plain, Chilka Lake, Kolleru Lake and Pulicat Lake are the lakes found in this region. Are you understand, children? So there is a map questions are there in this part, and you have one distinguish between western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain, and another one name the best flowing rivers, Narmada, Tapti, Mahi and Sabarmati. Thank you, children. These 4 questions are your homeworks. I send you the photocopies. Already I send you the whole book, but once again I will send you this part, photocopy of this part. So you have to write these 2 questions. What are the 2 questions? Distinguish between western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain, and then name the best flowing rivers. Thank you, children.